Good day all, Anish from BlackBull Markets here. Behind me I'm presenting you with a trade idea on the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. Now the Aussie yen is an interesting pair if you're looking at it from a trader's perspective. In an environment where we have a weakening dollar, you've removed the dollar element and you're looking at the weakening yen scenario and the strengthening Aussie pattern that we've seen of late. Of course, commodities are rallying. China's economic data is also showing signs of recovery, and those two are proxies for how well the Aussie has been doing recently. Of course, we've seen multi-year highs against the dollar, and similarly here against the yen. So we've recognized the cup and two handle pattern here with a clear top at the 76.40 mark. Now we're looking at 76.40 as a buyback area to take this pair higher. A lot of signs are pointing towards a higher Aussie yen in the short to near term, especially as we track along our 20-day moving average. We're seeing beautiful pullback areas marked by this pattern as well at the cup and two handles, where we're seeing pullbacks and investor appetite to buy on the pullbacks. And eventually, a few trading days ago, we had our breakout from the 76.74 area. So the reason we're looking at 76.74 as a key area for interest for further buying is because it marks a significant level of resistance all throughout 2020 and 2019. So let me show you that clearer on a weekly time frame. If we switch over now to the weekly chart, we can see a nice area of target possible placement at the 80.44 mark. So we have some nice room to move higher in the Aussie yen as we cleared a key high. We've also covered a gap here from earlier on in 2019. So next area of resistance, next target area for traders, 80.44 is what we're looking at. So do watch out for any moves that take the Aussie lower to possibly look at entries, or continue to hold this up to 80.44 to look to grab some further upside in the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. On the other hand, if we do start to get a turnaround, we could see that 76.74 level breach to the downside, and then we're looking at a possible bearish scenario. However, for now, we're pretty bullish heading into the year end, of course, with Trump's election coming up at the end of the year, which is a key kind of swing factor to how FX markets could play. So far, with nice trending, dollar grinding lower, helping this yen to move lower and the Aussie to travel higher along with commodities. So do trade according to the conditions, and all the best.